2023, the year of new technology. As we enter the year 2023, it's clear that technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. From the development of self-driving cars and artificial intelligence to the proliferation of virtual and augmented reality, it's an exciting time to be alive. One of the most anticipated technological developments of 2023 is the widespread adoption of 5G networks. With faster speeds and lower latency, 5G will revolutionize the way we communicate and access information. It will also enable the growth of the Internet of Things, IoT, connecting billions of devices and creating new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. Another area of technological advancement that we can expect in 2023 is the continued development of artificial intelligence, AI. From virtual assistants to facial recognition software, AI is becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives. In the coming year, we can expect to see AI being used in a variety of new applications, from healthcare and education to entertainment and transportation. Virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR, are also set to make a big impact in 2023. With the release of new and improved VR and AR headsets, we can expect to see these technologies being used in everything from gaming and education to training and simulations. In the world of computing, we can expect to see the emergence of quantum computers in 2023. These powerful machines have the potential to revolutionize fields such as drug discovery, financial modeling, and climate forecasting, and they are already being used by some of the world's leading tech companies. Overall, it's clear that 2023 will be a year of new and exciting technology. From the proliferation of 5G networks and AI to the rise of VR and AR and the emergence of quantum computers, there are plenty of exciting developments to look forward to. 2023, the year of new technology.